Okay, today we're going to be doing 8 braids coming to the side. Y'all can see this is the picture that my client sent me. I usually have my clients come with the picture. So yeah, as y'all can see, it's 4 in the back, 2 on each side. Let's get to it. So I always start off with a crisp middle part. Can't play about that foundation. As y'all can see, I'm starting off the first braid. I'm not sure if y'all remember, but this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and do that second braid right behind the first braid. I really want to show you off. Fuck that. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty. So for this part of the video, I did go ahead and slow it up in real time. I'm going to show you guys where I apply the product on each braid and how to stitch the braid. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. Okay, so after parting out the braid, I go ahead and apply the product in 3 places. I apply it on 1/3. As you can see, I'm splitting it 1/3 of the braid to the left, 1/3 of the braid to the right, and straight down the middle. Now I'm going to hit up this middle. As y'all can see, he does have very thick hair, so I had to apply a good amount of product. Now I'm going ahead and applying on the outside, and then I'm just going to comb it through to evenly saturate the part. Okay, and this is where we start the stitching process. As you can see, I just start off the first stitch. It's pretty simple. This is beginner friendly. I'm going to use the comb. You literally just take your time with this. You create the part with the left side, pull the hair in between your fingers. You're going to do the same thing with the right side. You're going to part it with the comb. And pull it in between your fingers. And again, part it with the left side. And yeah, you just keep repeating. It does take practice, but it's pretty simple. Really just need to have control.
Skirt down, you acting like me, acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry.
It is a little bit more difficult with thicker hair, as opposed to a client with not so much hair. You could see the stitches better.
when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? You know better. Know you move better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to weekend. Show, baby. Show, baby. Show, baby. We do whatever we want. Go wherever we want. Love however we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want. Get whatever I want. Get whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. I'm just thinking love, love, love. Long as we got, never give you my number. I did it with you. Should never let you hit it. I split it with you. I regret it. You got a fetish. You got a problem. Now it's a problem. Oh no. Skirt on beaches. I don't know these features. Think that on beaches. Do it for fun. Don't take it personal, baby. Love on my lady, love to my lady.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that loved me. Like my side, that's that most city, that side that you can't go around at night. You like to get me high, you know I know I'm Messiah. You like when I make fire, send a flame can make you fire. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. As it is, only thing that's the whip. Only thing that was real, only thing I can feel you. So why you bother me, why you bother me? Trying to catch you real weak.
You guessed it. Oh, yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm bothered, nigga. I'll be fine without you. Okay, so I'm done with the first 4. Let's start with the back. Do y'all see how much hair this man has? Okay, so just in case y'all forgot, this is what we finna do. You want to make sure these 2 braids is even on the right side. Just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Girl, you only get one pass and you used it. You used it. And yep, we just gonna repeat the same strategy we did with the other stitch braids in the back. And yeah. And it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Okay, after completing our braids, we will apply mousse because it's important. need that mousse. We need them braids to shine, okay? So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm applying the mousse, and then I follow up with some spritz. I personally use spritz. Other people like to use Got to Be spray. And after that, I go ahead and apply my wrap strips to mold down the mousse and the spritz, and I'm gonna put him under the dryer. I set him under the dryer for about 10-15 minutes, nothing crazy. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put him under the dryer. Usually once I put my client under the dryer, my next client will be coming in. I typically do about 4 clients a day, but I won't be showing y'all that process on this video. Stay tuned for part 2. I will show y'all the remaining of the clients I had did for today or this day. So yeah, catch me on part 2. I will be dropping that soon. And yeah, this is the finishing look. They look so clean and neat, just like the picture. And yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure y'all subscribe and like this video and stay tuned for part 2.